Hello everyone, welcome back, and today I'm going to be showing you my version of making shrimp cakes. I like to see my shrimp chunky in my shrimp cakes. You can put the shrimp in a food processor and bring it down a little smaller. So let's start with 3/4 pounds of shrimp, deveined and clean, and I did pat it dry with paper towel. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to cut the shrimp into small pea-sized pieces and transfer the shrimp into a large mixing bowl. Once I do this, I'm going to add half teaspoon of black pepper, 2 cubes that I did crush, half teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, along with 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped parsley, and I'm going to mix well. I'm going to also add 2 tablespoons of sour cream, and just make sure that I mix all the ingredients until they are well combined. Once I add the sour cream, I'm going to add 1 egg, and I'm going to be using 3/4 cups of panko breadcrumbs, adding a little at a time, stirring until everything is well combined. Now I'm adding some more of the breadcrumb, and along with some hot pepper sauce. If you don't like anything that is spicy, then this pepper sauce is optional. So this is 3/4 cups of panko breadcrumb that I did use in all, that I did use a little at a time into this mixture. Set this aside when you're finished mixing and over to the dip. Now I have 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, some paprika, and some black pepper, along with some Dijon mustard. And kindly remember to check the description box below. Mix this dip until it is smooth and nice. Now it's time for frying. So over medium heat, I have a pan with 2 tablespoons of oil. And once the oil gets hot, and this is vegetable oil, guys. Once the oil gets hot, I'm going to add the mixture 1 tablespoon at a time and let it cook. And when brown, flip over and brown on the other side. So I'm going to just press it down a little. Shrimp does not need much cooking. And once it's done, I'm going to remove. And this frying process should just be about 3 minutes. Place them on a paper towel, and when cool, just serve them. So here I have my shrimp cakes served with my mayonnaise dip. If you like this video, guys, kindly give it a thumbs up. Don't you forget to press that subscribe button. Also press that notification bell to be notified when I upload another video. Thank you for coming in the kitchen. I will see you in my next video. Bye.